Hi folks, welcome to my channel, The Brain Medley. During these lockdown days, we all came up with some or the other creativities of ours. Since I also got some spare time to think about what I can do, which is the best of my skills and knowledge. And suddenly, a thought came to my mind about my own existence, about my own self. Do I know myself? The way I was behaving, doing things, or people perceives me till now. Am I the same personality? Are these the only qualities I have? Or I have not explored the best ones yet? Maybe due to the unawareness of my own self. And that's how the motivation came for self-discovery. Sharing with you some hidden and mysterious realities about self. And trust me, if you start realizing them, you will be in love with yourself, your capabilities, and the intense power within you. And you will believe that you are a fabulous creation of God. On a journey of self-discovery, until you spread your wings, you will have no idea how far you can fly. So let's begin. God created us long back, but are we able to discover ourselves yet? Or still doubting our existence on the planet? Do we know ourselves? Have we ever thought of why we came to this world alone and one day will go alone? Why God created us unique, isolated, and absolute? The holy book Bhagavad Gita says, self-knowledge begins with self-examination, self-evaluation, and thereby developing divine qualities. Jesus Christ was the most self-aware human being who ever lived, and his self-awareness was the most important source of strength for him. I think it's time for us also to awake. By the end of this video, you will know the answers of most of your dilemmas. You will be shortly aware of your blind spots, your strengths, weakness, your behavior and emotions. You will know your capabilities, your competence, which can gradually develop your potential. So, are you ready for this transformation? Let's begin and let's walk along your path of enlightenment and reawakening on deeper levels to your inherent power. We all know we are a part of infinite, a divine source, unbounded and limitless. For us, finding of the soul is most important. And we can only find it when we give ourselves time. Time to think, time to pray, time to realize that we have a soul. Because without knowing that, our ego is busy looking at what we own. It can be a house, a car, family, friends, or a partner. What we can control, what other people think of us, what we already accomplished, and what is left to be achieved to make a status in the society. But all these things shows our outer appearance, the outer world of us, due to which we remain unaware about the insides, and we keep on moving away from the reality. Carl Jung rightly said, who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakes. Do we sometimes feel anxious, grief, nervous, or angry and can't even pinpoint what really upsets us? Are we seen as weak? Are we sometimes afraid of our own thoughts? Yes, this all happened with us some or the other time. But remember, all the mockeries are not you. The rejections are not you. You are only an iceberg which is 90% unseen and invisible to others. And you just need to explore the unidentified inside you. As the nature of self is eternal. Now, I am taking you to the 4 Mool mantras of self-awareness. I start with opening up your subconscious. Your subconscious mind is the gatekeeper of your comfort zone. And to master your subconscious, you need to learn to be still. Quiet your mind. To begin with, you need to start watching and listening to yourself. But remember, you need to watch yourself like a snake and listen to yourself like a moth. Have you ever seen a snake watching? When he stares at prey, his eyes fixed on it for hours, and that's how we need to watch ourselves. Let's try and see ourselves like we see and observe a stranger. Touch yourself to see and feel your inner soul. Watch your movements calmly, the way you move your hands while speaking, how you are reacting emotionally while talking to others. Watch your behavior on appreciation and also in criticism. Observe your expressions and body language, because all that is no one but you as an individual. And that ways you will start meeting yourself, your soul,